we are in Word Skill 2.1. We're going over applying character effects. You can see up here on my screen there's a number of different character effects that I'm displaying as examples here. This first word, plain, here doesn't have any character effects applied to it. You can see the bold character effect, italics, which slants it a little to the right, underline, which is self-explanatory, strike through, which draws a line through your text, often useful if you want to leave something there but give an indication that it is sort of being deleted or removed or no longer valid, but you want it still to be noticed. There's the subscript, which puts your text a little bit below the text you're typing. A good example of that is H2O for the scientific symbol for water. And there's also superscript, which puts your text a little bit above what you're typing. Example of that would be like x squared, if you're doing a mathematical document or something like that. To apply the character effects, you simply select your text. Up here on the font box on the home tab, you see bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript. Another thing you can do is change the case. Right up here, change case. You can make everything lowercase. That's selected. Everything uppercase. Capitalize each word. Switch the case around. Just some things you can do with that. The one thing I want you to note, to toggle bold, italics, or underline off, there's to try this. There's your keyboard shortcuts. Bold is simply hitting Control B, turns bold on and off. Italics is Control I. Hit Control I, it turns italics on and off. And underline is Control U. You hit Control U and that turns underline off. That's basically it for character effects. Try to not overuse character effects, but they can be really helpful in bringing out, highlighting certain areas of your document. The code word for this video is elephant. That's ELEPHANT.